The look of sheer excitement and fear.
What am I in for?
Here we are, just a quick little piece. This is the combination of, when did we start? December last year. This is 1 year of yacht consult and research and checking out yachts, finding the right yacht, purchase, surveys, all of the sorts of things. 1 year, and we're finally walking down the dock in Kirk, Marina Punat, so that Aquila and Dawns can see their boat in person for the first time. So that's slightly exciting for them.
You've got the biggest ass I've ever seen.
I'm ruining a very sentimental moment with my camera, so I'm just gonna get them there. That is super exciting. Like, it's very emotional for me because, of course, I have been the sole contact, the sole everything for them getting this boat. Been working with Aquila for over a year now to work through this, through the highs and lows of different financing options and boats being available, not available, and just this is very, very cool to be here doing this with them, and then we're going to spend 4 or 5 days on the boat sailing it back to Throga area. So very cool. Let's get them on it.
Oh man.
It's all you, baby. Look at you fit.
Yeah, all the way on the side too. What? Oh, microwave, sweet. Best thing to have on a boat.
Oh god. Yeah. We all know I love microwaves on boats. Great for storing bread, aren't they, Marina?
Oh,
He fits.
he fits.
Beauty.
How tall, Aquila?
6'7".
6'7". Oceanis 48. Aft, port quarter berth.
Inch at the
And he
bottom,
fits.
plenty of room for a pillow.
There we go. This was a huge part of it.
Yeah.
Huge part of this process was me getting in here and measuring how much I had above my head, measuring the height in this boat to make sure that whatever boat that 6'7" man could fit comfortably and not be hunched over the entire time. So we're winning. We're winning. All right, Dawn. What are you feeling? What are you thinking? Do you like her?
I do. I'm a little overwhelmed, and I can't believe it's true. And I don't have to buy an anniversary present ever.
Yeah, she got me good on that one.
Yeah, you're
She's
done.
a professional. The first thing she said, "Happy anniversary, baby."
Forever.
Forever. Yeah, I was like, oh, I was beaten. Finally, 26 years. Now I'm beaten. Yeah, it's amazing. This is more. This is more. This is a lot bigger, a lot more open, a lot more what I was expecting.
More boat than you thought.
Very much
Brilliant.
so. But Nick did a great job of getting everything set up and doing the measurements. And man, thank you.
There we go.
So you want to see how much it is.
So we just pulled into the Nautic shop and camping store and got a whole lot of crap. It was a very good store actually. So this is on Kirk, and covered a lot of the bases that we needed to cover. Now we're making tea.
And
But hang on, that part should... So here comes the exciting part now. All of the stuff's been bought. We've been racing around all over Kirk today, going to marine stores, going supermarket. We've got shit everywhere, which is great fun. Tools, Milwaukee showroom. And I've just set the time lapse up to see how long this takes for us to clear. So now's the fun part of getting on a new boat, huh? Maiden voyage of Lucas, new owners. We're heading out from Kirk, Island Kirk up north in Croatia, and we're going to head to Trogir for New Year's. And we're moving. We must have 5 knots already. Gorgeous. So by far enjoying our first day out. She sailed well. Sails are a little bit tired as we knew, so it's not going to be fast or anything like that. But we sailed. It was good. We've got some alarms going off. We've got a low battery alarm on the engine battery. We've got water coming in from somewhere on the saltwater intake for the engine, because we're getting water into one section of the bilge when the engine's running. We dried it all last night, but these are teething problems. This is what you need this time for. And I think that's really important when you think about buying a yacht or doing something like this, is that you've got to have time to shake out the cobwebs of boats, or to run test and to figure out what's going on and how you're going to use it. So